Hello viewers, welcome to Engineering Study Materials. Today we are going to discuss about the sequential engineering, concurrent engineering and difference between them. So let's get into this video. What is sequential engineering? If the engineering procedures are fed in a sequence, that is called as a sequence engineering. This is a simple definition. Consider a machining process of some other part. First, it needs a casting, then it needs drilling or some other milling, grinding process. These process must be held in a sequence. That is, first casting should be done, then milling should be done, then drilling, and afterwards only grinding operation. The design process is at the first. So this is the simple definition. Here the information flow is only in one direction, that is first research, then design, then manufacture, quality control, distribution and then sales. It should be in order. It is also called as overall engineering. Then concurrent engineering. It is different from the sequential engineering that each department communicates with the forward or a backward department as also. That is, all of the departments are in communication. Whereas sequential engineering, the design department can communicate only to the manufacturing department and not to the research department because their information flow is in one direction. Whereas in the concurrent engineering, each department can communicate with the other departments, that is the previous or the afterward department, so that the design can be optimized and time consumption for the redesign can be reduced. Because if design is not proper in the research department, and then the research department will send the design to the manufacturing department. If a manufacturing department finds an error, then immediately sends the error to the research department and then redesign it and then complete the design and make a perfect design to reach the manufacturing department. This is the best advantage in the concurrent engineering. And the time taken for the production of the component is also less in case of the concurrent engineering. So what is the difference between them? In sequential engineering, it is a method of production in a linear format itself. That is, information takes place in the one direction only. Whereas in concurrent engineering, it is a non-linear format. In sequential, the different steps are done one after another, whereas concurrent engineering, the work is simultaneously revolve around the different departments. In sequential engineering, if the product is completed, it is left alone and no one concentrated on that product, and they only concentrate on the next task. In concurrent engineering, the different tasks are tackled. The produced product also concentrated and new product also concentrated. In sequential engineering, time consumption is more, whereas in concurrent engineering, time consumption is less. So this is a short video, friends. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and share this video to your friends to gain knowledge, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos. So thank you for watching.